Hey there, it's Steve
And Terry.
from SeriousKeto, and what are we doing today, dear?
Today we are doing a review and an unboxing of Keto Chow, Chow Club for the month of December.
Yes, we are.
And it's awfully late. Today is, we're getting close to
is.
Christmas here.
Usually we release this video pretty close to the first of any month, but two factors came into play. First off, Chris Bear tells me that there is something really awesome, a really awesome gift in this, which makes up for the fact that I think last month there was no gift.
Yeah, there was nothing last month.
I mean, it was a new flavor.
Right.
The other thing that happened is somewhere between Utah and Wisconsin, this package got lost for a couple of days. So as a result, we're doing a late review, probably too late for you to do anything about it other than to know what the Chow Club typically can offer. But two things before we open this that I want to cover, just because I get these comments all the time. First is on price. Keto Chow is not inexpensive, but then again, no keto products are inexpensive. And even nowadays, trying to buy meat or bacon or anything, not cheap.
No.
And if you think of these as a little packet of protein, then yeah, it's going to seem expensive. But these are full-on meal replacements. You drink one of these shakes, you're going to be full. The other comment I get is people that are concerned that Keto Chow contains sucralose. There's a great article, I will link to it down in the description below, about sucralose. I'm of the opinion that the issue with sucralose is largely overblown based on a study that was done on mice. And these mice were force-fed just an obscene amount of sucralose. And out on this article on Keto Chow, they actually have a calculator so you can calculate how many of these meal replacements you'd have to eat per day to equal the same amount by body weight as the mice.
Wow.
You want to take a guess how many I would have to have?
How many packets?
Yep, in one day.
Sucralose?
No, of Keto Chow.
Oh.
To equal the same amount that they fed these mice.
5.
80.
Wow, 80, that's a lot.
Yeah.
I don't think.
I calculated based on what I think your weight is. You claim that your weight has stayed pretty much the same since your 20s.
Yeah.
She says.
Yeah, it's just what's.
Okay, I'm just kidding. I know that she's maintained her weight. But yeah, for you it would be 70 or 67, something in there. Still, it's an insane amount. Anyhow, the actual amount of sucralose in any serving is 0.08 grams, so less than 1/10 of a gram. So anyhow, that aside, you ready to open this up? I've talked a bunch. Now it's your turn.
Boy, I hope there's no peppermint.
Like the flavor of the month?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't know how I would feel about that.
Or candy.
But you like chocolate mint, but you don't like peppermint.
No.
Okay. Oh ho ho.
Big bag. Chocolate mint. Look at that.
We did not know that was coming.
No.
So that's your favorite flavor.
Yep.
And we make that into ice cream and the Ninja Creamy.
Yeah.
So you've got 21 servings of your favorite flavor.
Very cool.
Right here. It's like Christmas come early.
Yeah.
For Terry. All right. Let's work through the flavors.
Ooh, apple pie.
Apple pie. This is really good.
That's
warm.
Good, yeah.
Couple caramel macchiatos, the flavor by Joe and Rachel at Two Crazy Ketos. Also very good.
Strawberry.
Is this the regular strawberry? Okay.
Two
Yep.
regular strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yeah. And 2 salted caramels. Yummy.
Okay. Is that it?
Lots of cards, and there's a special gift in here.
So generally, whatever flavors they pack in have to do with the recipe cards.
Yeah,
what do we have for recipe?
Salted caramel sauce. That would be great on apple pie.
Well, or drizzled
Or
over
ice
some
cream. Make a
ice
turtle.
cream?
Turtle ice cream, yeah. Mint chocolate chip cupcakes. Oh, maybe we make those tonight. Oh, yeah. Chicken, cheddar bacon soup. Yum. Tiramisu is Courtney's favorite dessert.
Well, and she'll be home soon.
She'll be home soon.
Wow, this is like the biggest month ever for recipe cards.
Yeah, lots of great ones.
All right, what else we got?
Cheesy garlic mug bread, lemon blueberry mug. A lot of hot mug things because...
Well, hang on. Don't spoil it. It. Sticky bun mug cake, German chocolate mug cake. What else we got?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Those are all mud cakes.
Wow. Okay. So, did you catch any theme there?
Yeah.
All right, what do we got?
We got awesome mug cup, Keto Chow. Have your cake and keto. It's real heavy. It's to make those mud cakes.
This is
cool idea. And
this
some
is
cool
sturdy.
deck of cards.
We got some deck of cards, and of course, Chris Bear, with his self-deprecating sense of humor, is the Joker on this.
And yeah. There's more flavors.
Oh, there's more flavors? Okay.
Lemon meringue and
savory
chicken for the bacon. Yeah.
I'm going to say this is a pretty good month
Yeah.
for the Serious Keto family here. So what I was expecting was that there was going to be some gingerbread in there. It's one of the new flavors. It's one we haven't reviewed yet. And it's one that I've mixed up a shaker of right here. Now, our usual little Irish coffee mugs, only one of them is clean. So we're doing this sort of Christmassy crystal eggnog, right?
Okay.
This is what would go in
Yeah,
these probably?
yeah, those are eggnog, yeah. Punch and eggnog.
Do you like gingerbread?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I gave you a nice full pour there.
Yeah.
Here we go. I wonder if we should extend our pinkies with this to be classy.
I don't do that. Yummy.
That is something special.
Yes.
I mean, sometimes on these keto chows, the smell leads you to believe that it's going to be more flavorful than the taste.
Good nutmeg amount.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I love
This-
nutmeg.
But this one, the smell and the taste, they're equal. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
You polish that off.
This is
pretty
good. This is good stuff.
I've got more.
Yep.
I'll give you more. I'm going to finish mine, and then we'll wrap this up. So if you're interested in Keto Chow, I will include a link down in the description below. Pretty much anything you need to know is going to be at that link. And I think that's going to be it for this month.
Yeah.
We'll be back early. You're excited about this.
Yeah,
I can.
good.
Can you tell? I can tell. All right. So what do we say?
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.